recording 4 tracks. I'm going to take you through the inputs we're going to be using, and then the audio deck and how we export it out to Audacity. And then in a second video, how to set up Audacity to take the inputs and the tracks and then modify them. So first we have a vocal mic which goes through the monitor, which is behind it, that passes through and goes to the mixer. Then across the room over here we have a guitar mic which is placed along the edge of the speaker. Then we go to the bass amp and the bass mic, which is again at the edge of the speaker. It gives us a nice tone. You can move the mics around to see what kind of tone you want. And we have a single microphone over the drum set for this 4-track. Now, I'm going to take us to our setup here, which is essentially a mixer. And the inputs that we looked at are coming in to the mixer. And we have vocals, then guitar, bass, drums. And those mics are coming in under the wood placements and around the room. So you can see here that this is our practice space for the band, and then it all comes back to the control station here where we take the inputs and send them to our audio decks. Now, along the back of the mixer, we have direct outs which are going to each one of the audio decks. So what happens is the signal comes into the mixer and our levels are turned up here, these little black knobs. So what we want to do is record a level that's appropriate but not too hot, not too loud. And so you need to monitor on the audio deck when you're recording to see if the signal is too hot coming in. And you control these little black knobs to turn it up or down. You'll also notice that these gray buttons are pushed in. That's to cut out the low end below 75 hertz. And so I have that in for all of them. You can pop it out and see what you think. I think for guitar and vocals, it's helpful to not have it in there. For bass and drums, you might want to have that extra low end. So that's something to think about. Okay, now we're going to go into the audio deck. That'll be the next video.